In today's video, I will teach you how to make a text border in Gimp. Let's get started. There are two ways to make a text border in Gimp. First is by using the border selection. To do this, type in the text that you would like to put a border on, adjust the font size and the font style as well as the color to your liking. And once you're satisfied, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click on the text layer icon on the Layers panel. Then, click on the Select tab on the menu bar and select the border option. Now, set the size of the border by changing the border selection text box. There is also an option to change your border style to soft, hard, and feathered. But in this tutorial, we will use hard border to make sure that the border would be opaque. Then click OK. With the text selected, make a new layer by clicking on the Create New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, and set the blending mode to normal and set the fill option with transparency. Then click OK. Now, in the toolbar, click the Fill Bucket tool, select the color that you would like your border to be at the color palette, and click on the selected area to fill it in. Deselect the border by right-clicking on the selection, click Select, and click None, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Now, drag the text layer above the text border. The second way to put a border in your text is to use the Grow tool. To do this, select the text layer by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard as you click on the text layer icon. With the text selected, click on the Select tab on the menu bar and select Grow. A pop-up window would appear where you can change the size of your border. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now, create a new layer, make sure to set the blending mode to normal, and the fill option is transparent. Then, fill the selection with the Fill Bucket tool. Deselect the text, then drag the text layer above the border. Once you're satisfied, you can now merge the layers down to combine it. And there you go. You now have a border on your text. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.